Hi, do you want to learn or improve your programming skills? I'm here to show you one of many ways how to achieve them. So let's get started. This is the site where you can find some project and some problems to make them working. The first, you need to log in on the site. You must choose language. I choose Python. There you have some code to execute and you must to debug this, and then you can log in. So I fill this form and then you can hear again. So I submit the data and now I have some description. Also choose all of this and then click save. After fill, I click save, and then we can start our training. So here you have many, and the kata is the one we are interested in. So let's try to write some code. Here you have difficulty levels. This is the easiest one and this is the hardest one. You also can use your language. Let's choose the Python and let's choose the easiest level, and then maybe let's solve the traffic light problem. We must choose language. I choose Python, and then we have some instruction, and here we need to add some code. So let's start by writing this on our Python files. So now we have all of the question and here, and then we have function and run this function on these tasks. So we need to write a function which handle each change from green to yellow, from yellow to red, and from red to green. So let's try this. And it probably works. So you can see here, when your current is green, the output must be yellow. In our program, when we run green, output is yellow. When we run yellow, output is red, and if it's red, so the current changes on green. Yellow, red, and green. We must return our value, our current value, and try to pass the tests. So now let's copy this part and let's try if it works or not. Here you can run your tests, and as you can see, the tests are passed. So let's try to attempt, and every attempt are passed, 0 failed. So let's submit this, and as you can see, there are some more of programs on the same solution, but in different writing in different way. So it will be all for this video. I hope you have some fun and you will try your skills on the Code Wars. Link to the code will be in the description, and see you in the next one.